Hey, what's up, treasure hunters? So, I just got a package in the mail from an auction house that I just started buying from. It is they concentrate mostly on sports memorabilia and sports cards and that sort of thing. So, I've been taking some of the profits that I've made from the sale of vintage items that I get at thrift stores, and I've been purchasing some things at auction on this site too to make some profit off of the resells from there. So today I received two items, one of which is this Superbox. It's a limited edition box. This is number 74 out of 99. They have everything from rookie patch autograph cards, jersey autograph cards, 2000 Tom Brady rookie cards, looks like Joe Namath, Dan Marino's, all that stuff. Plus, they also have different packs and everything else that you can get within this box. I won this box for, I think, around 150 bucks. So I'm going to unbox it with you. You can see it's still sealed. I haven't opened it. I have no idea what's inside this. Hopefully there's some good stuff, and it was worth the 150 bucks. So if you want to see what's in here, plus the other item that I got today too, stay tuned. Okay, so we're about to open this, but before I do that, I want to show you the other item that I got from an auction. And it is this Woodstock ticket. This is an original 3-day ticket from Woodstock, August 15th, 16th, and 17th of 1969. So I thought this was a really cool piece of music memorabilia, and I ended up winning this for around 80 bucks. And I saw that some of these were selling on eBay anywhere from like 600 to like 850 or something. I don't really know exactly what I can get for it, but I know that I could get, obviously at least 80 bucks. But it's in perfect condition. It's unused. I did buy this hard case for it because it just came in a kind of a softer case or whatever. But I don't know if I'm going to sell this or not right away, but I picked that up, and I picked this Superbox up, so let's get into it and see what's in here. And before I open this, the way these work, this box was made by sportscards.com, and what they do is they must make some kind of deal with the auction house that, they'll give them over a year. They'll give them so many of these random boxes. And in, the 99 boxes that they create, there are, some of these things that you see on the front I was talking about before. So it looks like some Carson Wentz, Walter Payton, some Tom Brady's, a Dan Marino, Joe Namath, and then some different factory sealed either boxes or packs. So there's all kinds of stuff in here, but they're all just randomly packed and then sealed up, and the auction house or nobody else knows what's in what box. And then over the year they auction these boxes off from the auction house. So don't know what's in here, what we'll get. The reason why I got into sports cards again is because I was following my own advice, and I was going through some boxes that I had that when we moved in, I just kind of put boxes in the back of the basement, and I found a bunch of old sports cards. And I think I'm going to make a video of some of the cards that I did find there. But it kind of got me back into, some alternative investments in these different sports cards. So this looks like this is another sealed box. This is probably where some of the maybe individual cards are. Then there is a whole 99 Upper Deck. I don't know how many packs are in here, but these are all right here. 24 packs per box. So that's a 99 Upper Deck. Here we got, oh, that's pretty cool. It's a 2005 Tom Brady Gem Mint 10. It's graded. Topps Finest. Really cool looking card. I don't really know, like I just started getting back into this, and cards have been, like when I used to collect cards back, in grade school, it was, getting a rookie card or getting, that was like the extent of it. Now they have like parallels, they have autographs, they have these inserts or like these memorabilia cards where there's pieces of game worn jerseys, or in baseball they have like pieces of a bat, or hockey they have pieces of a stick or a jersey or whatever, and there's all different kinds of stuff. So I have no clue what this Tom Brady's worth, but it's a really cool card, and obviously arguably he's the best quarterback to play, so that's a cool one. And then here, just a Bruce Ellington rookie. And again, this one's actually, there is 550 of these made, and it has a piece of his jersey here. But I'm not even sure what year. This is from 2014. So I doubt that's really worth too much money. There's a pack of Bowman Sterling, 2006. So that could be cool to open too. And all these, this is a football one, so all these are football cards. I'm not going to obviously open all the packs, but we'll open this box to see what's in here. So yeah, it looks like a bunch of different packs. And then we have a Matt Jones, which this is a Rookies and Stars rookie card from 2015. And I doubt that's worth a whole lot. Oh, and this is pretty cool. This is a 2005 Bowman Chrome Andrew McCutcheon. So I have no idea, again, what this is worth either, but it's a cool looking card. It says Half-Lack Redemption card. And there's some packs here. We have a 2018 Don Russ, 1990 Wax Pack Fleer Baseball, Wax Pack of Fleer Basketball. We have a 1990 Collector's Choice Pack. This is a 97 Collector's Choice Football, a 1991 Collector's Choice Hockey. And then there's a whole bunch of cards in here. Oh, here's a cool one. Is Baseball's Finest Nolan Ryan. Oh, there's more than one in here. So these are just in top loader. There's a Don Mattingly and a Roberto Alomar. Here's a Kellogg Super 3D card. I have no idea about that. We have a Herman Moore, who he played, I think this, I don't know, there's a blank back on that one. Here we have an authentic autograph from Larry Little, and an authentic autograph in here. I don't want to bend it. Of Thurman Thomas. So, well, this one's an autograph. This one's just a Thurman Thomas card. Hall of Fame postcard. 143 out of 150, and this is 128 out of 150. That's pretty cool that this is autographed. So, I don't know, again, the values of any of this stuff. I guess we can run through this real quick. I think these are probably just like random cards. Reggie White. Here's a Bo Jackson. Here's a Willie Mays. It looks like a remake card though. That's cool. Mario Lemieux. Here's another Tom Brady. Jason Giambi. Got a Patrick Ewing. And some. I won't go through every one, but there's an old Randall Cunningham. Oh, that's a pretty old Brian Urlacher. That's cool. We got some really old cards here. Yeah. So, there's a couple other ones in cases that I missed. I don't know if that's a mess up or not. Hakeem Olajuwon. There's a Mariano Rivera. Oh, that's cool. Johnny Bench. I mean, you can tell the centering's way off on that, but that's an old card, and Johnny Bench is a Hall of Famer. I know that. And then Josh McCown, who's played for practically every NFL team. So, overall, that's pretty cool. I have no idea what any of this stuff's worth, and I still have that entire box and all these packs to open up, so hopefully there's some good stuff in there. Either way, it's really fun to open these because you never know what you're going to get, and you have a chance to get some really good stuff. But I mean, so far I'm pretty happy with what I found so far, but that's with absolutely no knowledge on what it's worth. So I'll make another video after I look some of this stuff up and see values on any of these cards or signatures or anything else. So I thank you guys for watching. Hit that subscribe button for me. That'd really help me out. And don't forget about my giveaway over on Facebook for that Steuben Glass Bowl. I should be hopefully doing that shortly, picking a winner. I'm not really sure yet. I want enough people to comment that want to get in. And I've been super busy lately, and I need to do some more posts about it so people can enter if they want. So thanks for watching. I'll be back soon, and good luck out there treasure hunting, guys.